All right, I told you guys we're gonna do simple makeup but still make it look nice. I got you. I know sometimes when you see tutorials it looks like people are going to war with the contour and all that good stuff. You know what I'm talking about. Come on, come on. All right, so I'm gonna grab my hair real quick and then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing a little something something. All right, first thing you want to do is obviously prep your skin, which I already did. And the next thing you want to do is obviously do a primer. I'm going to do the milk primer. This is just me. Now, this is going to be more for people who want something quick, something easy, who, like me, sometimes I don't have time in the morning, sometimes because I do got to get my little one ready for school, and your girl want to look nice, still like I woke up, but don't take hours because, you know, sometimes I don't have time. But first thing you want to do, foundation, use something that is light or a BB cream. I like this one. This is a Chanel #1. This is the Fondant. This is a Camellia one. I love this. Very light. It feels like nothing. So let me put this on real quick. Okay, so I did my foundation off camera real quick. And remember, if you want to get like a dupe, something like this a little bit, the Maybelline, the Bluetooth, I'll write it down below. That one's a good dupe. All right, moving on. I did my concealer as well, so you do have a couple options. If you want something very light coverage, definitely do the Benefit Boing. If you want a little bit more thicker coverage, like I did, just because I wanted more coverage, I did the Shape Tape Concealer. All right, and for my brows, I did the pomade. Just use this and my spoolie. Just that clean cut, clean it up with the concealer. That's pretty much it. All right, so moving forward. Now for shadow, you want something that's gonna be nice, quick, fast, and natural. This one is a superhero non-tug it cosmetics one. This one's in the shade Super Slay. I love this. Every time I wear this, people give me so many compliments. What I like is that you could just apply it like so. You don't even have to be neat about it, just all over. I like to do just the base like so, and already you see a difference. And I like to do the under eye to kind of give it like a little contrast. So that's all I do, and then you could just buff it out, and then that's it. And you could rock it like this if you like, and put your mascara, keep it moving. That's up to you, but I'm gonna do a little bit more, so give me a second. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go with a deeper shade, just a little bit. I'm gonna go with the Naked 2 palette, and you're gonna go just above the brow bone, just back and forth. Give me a second. Now I'm gonna go with the light one here. This is gonna make it mimic like my brow bone's a little bit higher than it should be. Okay, and I put some also in the inner corner of my eye, but we're gonna move on to the next to make this quick. So next thing I like to do to make me look like I'm awake, I'm gonna put black eyeliner in my waterline. I personally like it. You don't have to, but I like to put it all over. And then when you're done with that, all right, there's part 2. I'm trying to go to part 2, but we gotta do. All right, so like I said, you do the little waterline. That's what I do. The next thing I want to do is go in with my mascara, and I'm gonna go with the Bengal from Benefit. This one is really nice. It gets everything a little nicky and cranny, so I do like that. So we're gonna put it all over, and I like to put it on the base and then wiggle it, base and then wiggle it. So give me a second. I'm just gonna finish doing. All right, once I did my mascara, you see what a difference it makes. Some people like to curl their lashes. I like to just leave it alone. Just keep it natural, because no matter what I do, they're not going to stay. So next thing you want to do now is, this is what's going to bring the face together, is the contour. This is why I see a lot of people doing lines, doing all crazy stuff. This is why people get so intimidated, so don't be intimidated. You can use cream, you can use powder, what do you like. For today's video, I'm going to do a powder. So this from Too Faced. This is the, what is it? The Too Faced Cocoa Contour. I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to go with the deepest one. Tap, tap, tap. And I'm going to start where my forehead begins. So anytime you do a bronzer, contour slash whatever you want to call it, make sure you get the hairline, please. Because I hate when I see people doing the, like, you see the space between the hairline and your real hair. It drives me bananas. I want to blend it, okay? I want to blend it. Maybe just a me issue, but that's my problem. All right, so you want to go ahead and then just blend it all around. Just, this is basically gonna warm up your face, gonna make it put together. So honestly, even though I'm going light on my makeup today, for me, this is gonna bring everything together. Now you could grab this brush, go like this, and go all the way as well right here, all over, and you're fine. You're done quick and easy. But I'm gonna use a thinner brush just to define my contour. So I'm gonna do this, and you want it to go up. Now you see where my eye is right there. That's where I like to stop. You see the eye? Boom, stop. 'Cause people like, sometimes people drag it all the way over here. That drives me bananas too. But it also depends on your face as well. Like the shape of your face. Like how deep you want to go. Like, since my face is a little chubby and stuff, I don't want to go too much. Just give it just enough definition. So, same thing on the other side. Drag it down where your eye goes and then put it up. So, remember, drag, put it up. Like, bam. Remember, you want to go up. You don't want to go down. The reason for that is you want to give the illusion of a lift. So, and I like to go all the way up. Some people don't, but I do. Alright, so once you do that, make sure it's nice and blended. Alright, then you want to go with your blush. So the blush, I'm using the Too Faced. This one is in the shade Pomegranate. So I'm going to grab just this. Tap, tap, tap. And bring it up. Bring it up. That's it. Bring it up. And then I'm running out of time. We're going to go to the next video pretty soon. Alright, so we left on the blush. This is part 3. And trust me, it won't take you this long. It's just because I'm showing you guys like kind of like a little bit step by step of how you want to do it. Now, I like to go all the way up like this. And one thing I remember from Tara back in the day, she said put it over here a little bit, give you a little bit of definition. Which it does. It makes it look so much better. And blush makes such a difference. People don't understand. And it makes me look awake, awoke, whatever you want to call it. It just makes it look nice and pretty. Alright, so next thing I like to do. Now, this is optional for you. You could do my method or you could do the different method. I'm trying to see if I have. Okay, so since we're talking about more of a natural look, but quick and easy, fast. If you don't want to do the powder with the highlight, you could actually do like this one is the Merit. And this one, you're just going to put all over going up. Just like so. And with your fingers, you're just honestly just going to warm it up. And this one I like because it gives you that natural glow. Which is right there. Like you can't see no shimmer. You can't see like nothing. It just gives you a nice like little glow. And I like this because it reminds me like if you are in like the beach or something, is really nice. Especially if you have more of a dry skin. This will be excellent because it's going to make everything really nice. Look at this. I love this. Just quick, easy. Bam, bam, bam. Warm it up with your fingers. How easy it goes. I love it. Perfect. All right. So next thing we're going to do, lips. Now, this is my favorite to go. And I'm pretty sure you guys seen it on all my videos if you guys follow me. This is the Merit. This is Baby. Just Baby. I just had to think. Baby. So just Baby. But this one is very nice. Very sheer. Just gives you a tint of color. That's all you need. Look at this. So instead of my lips looking crusty and rusty, it looks nice. It's very natural. It's something that you could wear as an everyday look. So, and I love it because anytime I want to go anywhere, this is it. That's all I need. Doesn't matter what occasion. It goes with anything. And I love that it looks great on any skin tone too. So. Bam. Now another one that I do like, just in case for you guys, it is a Clinique Black Honey. That one has been out for years. That one is excellent as well. The last thing you want to do is just this. Setting spray. Boom. That's it. Quick, easy, in your face. Bam. And then let me just undo my hair and then I will change. And that's it. Ready to go grocery shopping, pick with the kids, do whatever you got to do. You look put together, looks nice, clean cut, easy breezy. Let me know what y'all think.